Hi, sunflowers. Today I'm gonna be playing with slime, which I'm very happy about because I love slime, and slime is like
We never made a video about slime before, so
I think so.
yeah, I don't know.
Why'd you get purple? That looks cool. Okay, so I have purple slime. Yes, the blue slime mixed with my purple slime, so it looks blue. But I can just tell you guys that I have blue. So yeah, I have blue slime. I mean purple.
I have
and she has
purple
blue.
mixed with purple. Purple mixed with blue.
More blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, she basically has teal. I wanted to make this slime. Like. So
Crunchy.
Look,
That's what the color is.
and it won't come down.
Oh yeah, that one's dried out.
I know, that's why I like.
You can't use it. It's dried out.
I'm gonna still try. I mean,
Big mess.
yeah, it is basically. Ooh, it's kind of like slime.
Girl, you have to do that on clay.
I know, I don't care. This is gonna make my slime sticky. Okay, so yeah, now that you know, this is dried out, so I can't make it. And you're supposed to use clay slime, which is what I forgot. So yeah.
What?
I don't know. I was just thinking of something.
I was like, what happened?
So
Pull up my sleeves.
okay.
I want to add a little bit of hot pink.
It's not really hot pink.
It's magenta. Kinda.
I think that this is just pink. I think it's just pink.
Yeah. I think it's like the color of your wall.
Not that pink.
Yeah, not really. It's kind of like a purplish though.
Yeah, so I got 2 ring lights.
No need to show off, girl.
I'm on right here. And so now we have. That's not funny.
You put your elbow in slime.
Did you put the pink slime back?
What pink slime?
Pink slime, like all that stuff that you had grabbed.
Did I?
Emily,
That was on accident.
we barely even have any pink slime.
You don't play with the pink slime. You only play with the blue one and the purple.
Yeah, but I used to, and you don't either.
That's used to.
Yeah, and you don't either.
That's in the past. So I'm using it.
actually show the slime better. Yo.
When I add more shaving cream, it makes it more fluffier and not stickier.
We'll be back when we make our slimes like really good. Okay, so we have some progress. I actually activated mine, so it won't be so sticky like that. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so this goes in the purple. So now I'm gonna just work with this tiny bit of pink left. There's only a little bit, and it's very breakable, stiff. No, it's not stiff.
I'm finished with this one. I think it turned out.
See, it is like I'm trying to stretch it softly, and it's not that soft. So yeah, when things aren't that soft, it's you need to add lotion. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have these cocoa butter. This cocoa butter moisturizing cream lotion. It says moisturizing body lotion. It would be so cool if there was slime lotion, something called slime lotion.
Alright, so I'm gonna work with this purple because it's like really sticky and thin. So, not really that sticky, but.
It smells like cocoa butter.
That's my lotion.
Alright, so I have my lotion. I got my lotion. So this one is called Part-Time Mermaid. So we're just gonna add this. Don't make it too fluffy.
I'm not putting shaving cream in it.
It's raspberry hand cream. Doesn't really smell raspberry. I wish I had a camera that would like go like over the slime.
This.
Yeah, so like you can like show everything. But obviously we don't.
So we're just going to set it there for now. Just a little.
It is my phone because it was in the way, but it's like that.
So maybe we should do a before and after progress. Did y'all see that? Anyways, this is mine before. It's very sticky and
This is my before. It's very stretchy and it's a tiny bit sticky. Not really. Yeah, so we're just gonna see.
Okay, she's not ready yet, but I just wanted to show you mine real quick. So I added like a little bit of shaving cream, just a little bit, and then I got some lotion, and I just kind of all mixed it around, and yeah, I made it more like thicker and not as sticky, and I also added some activator. So yeah, this is mine. So yeah, let's pass it on to her.
Okay, so here's mine. On camera it actually looks really light, but it's actually like kind of like darkish light. And yeah, so it's kind of stretchy now that I added a bunch of lotion. Let's see if we'll pass the swirl test. Okay, pass the swirl. Now we're going to do the bubble test. See if it can pass the bubble test. Little ASMR first. A bunch of light, just kidding. Can you guys hear the crunch?
Let me fix this. I think that looks pretty good.
Okay, now let's try the bubble test. That was kind of bad. Oh my arms hurt. Okay. I'm so bad at bubbles. I tried to do the bubble test earlier. Yes. Looks so good. Hold on, wait. It's getting bigger. Oh.
Did you blow on it?
No, I didn't even know anything. Guys, my TV, when like we leave it alone for a while, it like it just looks like it shuts off, and then it just turns on these photos, and like that's one of them that it shows, and it's so cool. I can show you another one when another one comes up. But yeah, sorry. So yeah, let's try another bubble test. It was a tiny bubble, right? At least I did a bubble test. Okay, I hope I can do this. Oh, it popped. I mean, I didn't even make a bubble. Oh, yes. No. I want to see how long it can go. It popped last time in like 3 seconds.
Okay, we just got like a clip on the TV. This is really cool.
I'm so bad at doing hobbies.
Same here.
Kind of.
I'm gonna try to do a bubble.
I mean, it's like a long bubble. Oh, excuse me. Here, let me show you guys. Thing. It looks so nice. Okay, so I think I'm